I invite Dr. Shagufta Jabeen, who's going to talk about how to connect, make helpful resources in US. Brief introduction about Dr. Shagufta Jabeen, who's also our mentor and past president. She's a practicing psychiatrist for the past almost 20 years and the clinical psych director at Vanderbilt University of Geriatric Psychiatry Fellowship Program. Welcome, Dr. Jabeen, and the floor is yours.
Thank you, Dr. Hiba. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope everyone is enjoying the webinar so far. I just made few points about, about the helpful resources which can help you to guide. My first thing which I really want to focus on and really want you to be focused on is where to start looking. And I would say that where to start looking means that look for yourself first, inside and out. Are you really, really serious about this path? Are you ready to take the challenge? Because there will be some hurdles, there will be some challenges. Do you have enough support, like, through your family, through your friends, or do you have financial resources to pay for all the exam fees, etc.? What will be, setback for you? For example, marriage, is that going to be a setback? And there are, several people who are going to say stuff like, oh, ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਮਾਸੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਬਣਨਾ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਕੋਲ ਤੇ ਮਜ਼ੇ ਕਰ, ਅੱਗੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨੌਕਰ, ये वो. There are some people who are just going to say that. So you have to prepare yourself, not only, physically, but also mentally as well. Next, please. So the first thing is to look around you. Your classmates can be a good source. Your seniors, your family members, your friends, faculty, teachers, anywhere, around you, any links in the USA or Canada, your relatives, they can be helpful resources too. So look around yourself and see, who can help you out with this path. Next, please. So the resources in the USA. Basically, the resources in the USA are in your hand and a click away. And why I say that, because all of you have cell phones, all of you have laptops and all that. So just go to www.apna.org and go to organization. And then from organization, you can either look for component societies, and in the component societies, you will see all the alumni, and you will see our own alumni, FJ, MC, AA, MNA, which is, the name over here, Fatma Jinnah Medical College Alumni Association of North America. You click on there and you will get a lot of helpful resources there. Similarly, you can go from the organization, you can go to the committees, 22 committees, and there you will find the Young Physician Committee, which has been doing a lot of work. Also, I will those things in just a minute. I was part of that committee last year, and we have done a lot of stuff. So next, please. So the resources from your own FJ alumni in the USA, as I have mentioned, go to their website, through Apna website, go to component societies and go to your FJ alumni here. They have a web page where you can find all the names and the links to how to get to Dr. Fiza, Dr. Hiba, Dr. Azra, or past presidents, you can connect to them, or you can join the Facebook page of alumni as well. There is also a specific WhatsApp group started by Dr. Fiza recently, FJ Alumni IMG group. Please join those, Facebook page as well as WhatsApp group to get your question answered, gets the update, etc. Next, please. So this is one of the screenshot from the FJ Facebook page. So join this page and start taking all the information from there. There are different posts, there are different updates, there are relevant information. You can get your question answered there. You can help from executive committee from there. You can just post your question, and there are so many people who are eager to answer your questions. Next, please. This is, I'm just talking about the Young Physician Committee now, but a lot of things which I have written over here are also being done by the FJ alumni. So they are doing, this committee has been doing year-long effort. We did a lot of stuff last year. We have organized a mentorship program. And in this mentorship program, we have a lot of mentees from Pakistan and USA also who are in this streamline to get into residency. And we have a long list of mentors also who are just ready to take these IMGs under their wing. And the chair of the mentorship committee, they really do the matching that, whatever your specifications are, whatever you are looking for. And the theme this year is going to be to start this mentorship program for early on, in the first year or second year of med school. So, you can be polished, from the beginning, and you are well guided. The other thing is that they have been helping with the clinical rotations during med school and afterwards also. Dr. Hiba has highlighted some of the points. Similarly, in the committee, Young Physician Committee has made list of clinical rotations here, as well as who is doing those, and they are matching the IMGs with those. So this is a very good start if you want to start any rotation here. They are also doing a great job in visa processing. If you are stuck for any reason, we have so many stories from last year. People were stuck, at the end, and the visas were pushed. Dr. Fateh has doing a great work there. Year-long webinars, we did like 5 or 6 different webinars throughout the year. They are also, some of the webinars are also on the alternate pathway, and they guide you that if you are not interested or you are not, for some reason, not able to get the residency, what other things you can do in the USA. Also, very big help is being done for the application process through ARIS. So the editing of the personal statements, the CVs, ARIS application, and all that is being done throughout the year. We did several hundred editing of the personal statements and CVs. And there are webinars on how to write your personal statement and CVs as well. Then a great effort was done about doing the mock examinations. I don't know the exact number, but close to 600 mock interviews were conducted last year. And similarly, we have the residence issues. If a person is having some difficulties, financial the committee has been addressing those needs, and they have been connecting with the places where they can rent cheap places or stay with some of the alumni, etc. Next, please. And on the other side, I had the committee's member for this year, and their chief chair and their associate chairs. So this is the page of Apna YPC group. So please join this group, because you will see a lot of posts there. You can send your questions there. You can connect to other people who are in the same road, and you can also keep your identity safe. You can just say that my friend need answer this question, etc. You can also have a chat with your mentors. You can meet with them. You can do a lot of stuff through this Facebook page. And I am also encouraging you to also join the FJ page, because if we are not able to connect you with the resources, we can connect you through YPC, and your questions and other things will be answered. Next, please. So this is an example of one of the posting they have done. Today was a webinar done on rank order list, because now all the interviews, application process is done, the interviews are done, and the IMGs are ready to make their rank order list. So, very good webinar on that. So there is a lot of collaborative effort with other alumni also. Like our today's session is posted there too. And the Young Physician Committee is trying to do like one-stop shopping, and bring all the talents from throughout the United States on one page. So please join that and get the information you need. Next page, please. Another post from similarly indicating that there are a lot of networking and other chapters and other societies, whatever they are doing, are posted on the web page, and we are doing the same thing as well on our page. Next, please. So this was my presentation, and last but not least, you have now a very gold star resource. Dr. Lala Hashim is eager to get your emails, get connected, and you can get a lot of information from her, because she is new. She has recently completed, and she did very, very good. We are all hoping and praying that she will get the best match for her residency. And we want to say good luck to all of you as well. Please forward these information, these slides, whatever information you get to others also, because this is also going to be a sadqa jariya for all of you. Thank you.